Hey everyone, Taylor here, National Sales Director for Devices at ChromebookParts.com. Today we're going to be looking at the TWT Audio TW340. Let's open this up and take a look. I do love the packaging, feels premium. Quick start guide, looks pretty standard. Let's take a look at what we have. Okay, so this is very reminiscent of their TWT's REVO line, where you have the more ear-shaped ear cups. Different stitching pattern though, different material than their other stuff has. Which I wonder how that would be for longevity. It feels good. I like how soft that, call it a leatherette or a vinyl, whatever it may be. Oh, these also do have the removable ear cups, which is great. And an extra set of ear cups here. Let's check these out. So these ear cups are moisture wicking pads. I really like that. That's going to help to keep the temperature down while you're wearing them. My ears tend to get hot when I'm wearing over the ear units like this. So anything I can do to cool that down is a good day for me. I'm just going to swap them right here because that's how I want to use them. Yeah. Super easy swap. I love that it comes with both in box. That's really nice. Lets you pick, lets you have a backup. We have a couple of cords that it comes with as well. 3.5. One of my least favorite things about headphones like this right now is a lot of them don't come with a 3.5 plug. So when I'm traveling, I'm on a plane, I can't plug into my seat back monitor, which drives me nuts. I don't know why they wouldn't include that. So I'm really glad they included that. There's your 3.5 plug, USB-A to USB-C charging. So USB-C charging on those. Also has an integrated microphone. So you could use these for calls or conferencing. All the power button, volume up and down is here. The buttons don't feel great. They feel solid. They're a little bit plasticky for my tastes. Just a little plasticky. But overall, they don't feel like they're going anywhere.
Hello. Goodbye.
Not sure if you can hear that, but when we power up, we get a nice hello. When we power down, we get a nice goodbye in there. Not a bad weight for a 20-hour battery life Bluetooth, especially since it's over the ear. It'll sit pretty nice on your head. Very curious how the onboard mic does in a loud environment. I've been told that the mic is very isolating, even though it is inboard, and you just get one little pinhole for it there. So at the end of the day, that is the TWT TW340 Bluetooth headset with integrated mic and everything you see in the box. We'll see you on the next one.